In this video, I'll guide you through how to find draft emails in Gmail. Drafts are those emails you started writing but didn't send yet, and knowing how to quickly get back to them can save you time and prevent you from losing important messages. We'll go step by step, keeping things simple and easy to follow so you can confidently access your drafts whenever you need them. First, open Gmail. If you're on a computer, this usually means going to your web browser and typing in the Gmail website, then signing in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. On a phone or tablet, you can simply open the Gmail app from your home screen or app drawer. The basic idea is the same. You want to get to your main Gmail inbox screen where you see your list of emails. Once Gmail is open, look over to the left side of the screen. This is where the sidebar lives, and it holds all your main sections such as inbox, sent, and of course drafts. If you don't immediately see the full list of options, you might just see a few icons or a shortened menu. In that case, look for the small menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines, at the top left. Click or tap that to expand the sidebar and reveal all the labels. Now, in that sidebar, look for the label called Drafts. On desktop, it's typically listed underneath Inbox and Sent. On mobile, you may need to scroll a little bit down the list to find it. If you still don't see Drafts, it may be hidden under the More section. On desktop, click More in the sidebar to expand an extended list of labels, and drafts should appear there. On mobile, keep scrolling until you see it. Once you've found the drafts label, go ahead and click or tap on it. As soon as you open the draft section, you'll see a list of all your saved draft emails. These are messages you started composing but haven't sent yet. Each draft will show you the recipient, the subject line if you added one, and a short preview of the message body. To open any draft and continue working on it, simply click or tap on that email. It will open in the regular compose window, just like when you're writing a new email. From here, you can keep typing, edit what you already wrote, or decide that you no longer need the draft. If you want to send it, just finish your message and hit the send button. If you don't want the draft anymore, you can delete it from the compose window by clicking the trash can icon, or you can remove it directly from the drafts list by selecting it and deleting it like any other email. One helpful tip: Gmail automatically saves your drafts as you type, so you usually don't have to worry about losing your work if you close the window by accident or get disconnected. As long as you started a message, it should appear in your drafts folder until you either send it or delete it. That's all there is to it. By opening Gmail, locating the draft section in the sidebar, and viewing the saved emails there, you can quickly find and manage any unfinished messages.